Hello, so today we're going to talk about the project. And so to start, we can go ahead and cd to the right directory, uh, and then run our commands. And awesome, so we know Webpack's watching. So first we're going to talk about is favoriting lists of users. So we can just go to the local host and go ahead and sign in as Took and Week. And we can see that, let's go to Raise, go to click his photos, and let's say I want to favorite this. So we click that button, we see now it's already favorited, and so we cannot favorite this again since the button is deactivated. And we can go favorite this, for example, and again, same thing there. And now we can go to the favorites page, and both of these appear, and we can click this to see the modal. We see the caption, we see the picture, and we can go ahead and close the modal. Same thing here, and we can actually go ahead and unfavorite those. The second feature we're going to talk about is photo likes. And so basically we can go here to raise, go click on the photos, and we can go ahead and like this, and we can see that we get a notification that the likes increase from 0 to 1. We also, the button changes to an unlike button, so we know we have confirmation that the user liked it. And for example, if we were to unlike that and go down here and like this photo, then these switch orders because we know that the user, the photo with the most likes should be at top per the spec. And so we can go ahead and like this too and see that it increases. And so that's super cool. And then we can go ahead and unlike that and it'll go down and go from there. And so that's likes. Extend user profile detail with usage. So let's go to raise. And so here we see that we have the most recent photo and we have the date that it's posted here. And we have the most commented photo as well as the number of comments that the photo has. And we can go ahead and click on these and it'll take us to the link with the photos. And then if we click on the most commented photo, again, it takes us to the photo as desired. And then the final thing that, so that takes me to 13 points overall, and so I want to do a little bit extra as well. So I partially implemented the sidebar list, and so basically here we can see, none of these have recent activity except Peregrine Took, who's the logged in user. And so if I actually go ahead and log out and I create myself a new username, Sushil, and then I register, registration successful, and then I log in as Took, I can see that it says registered here for this new user. Unfortunately, it's not kind of buggy, doesn't completely work. For example, if you go in favorite items and like items, it doesn't say that those are like recent activity, even though I implemented it. But I'm hoping for partial credit on that since that was above the 12-point threshold, and I am looking for like only for 15 to 16 points. And so thank you, and let me know if you have any questions. Okay, bye.